Alright, y'all, so I purchased this little cutie, big thick cutie, like heavy duty wood dresser from Goodwill, and I think I paid about 30 bucks for it. So I'm redoing my room. Yep, 30 bucks. I'm redoing my room, and I just wanted to give you guys a little quick video of how I transformed this beauty. And so the first thing I did, which is not on camera, wiped it down, made sure there was no dirt and dust, and got the stickers off. And I pulled the doors out of the drawer. So at this point, I haven't decided. But and I sanded down. I wasn't sure how to use the sander, so I did some research or whatever. But I was gonna say I wasn't sure if I was going to take the knobs off, the little handles, but I didn't. I kept them. So this is me just getting the thing together, and I'm gonna give it a shot. Like, again, I've never used a sander before, but it was very easy, very handy. I got the sander from Walmart, really inexpensive. And what I did buy extra sanding paper thingies. So what I would recommend is to just go lightly over it. You don't have to go as deep to get the top layer off as I did, but either way, it worked out beautifully. This is my daughter just watching me real quick. So yeah, so I'm just gonna sand the whole thing minus the back. So this is the finished look after I sand everything down. And then next I'm just gonna wipe it down again, which I don't show, and I'm gonna prime it with this Kilts 2 all purpose interior exterior primer. So I primed it really well, let that dry. I think this is a quick dry. I'll be sure to put any information I feel like you guys need in the description. But that is the first layer coat of primer, which I only did one coat, and then I painted it with the paint that I'm going to show you guys in a moment. But I did do one or two coats of the primer. I can't remember. It's been a little while. But I also added I'm going to add these legs to it. I've never done this before with such a heavy duty piece. But you can buy these and find these at Walmart. And I'm going to show you guys a mistake that not really a mistake, but something I would prefer to change. So again, this is just a layer of paint on it. You can see there's still some cracks, so I did do 2 layers, let it dry, and then I put the drawers back in just to see if I wanted to paint it again. But I painted those wood legs. Then I'm going to take them off and show you guys how I applied them. I just used a drill. I had to get my husband to help me because the wood was so thick. I couldn't get the hole through, but he got it right through. So I've already brought it in the house at this point, and I'm going to mark my placement. So about those, so these two comes in A and B. If you can go back on the picture, you'll see it says A or B for those for the legs. Whichever one I purchased, it was the one that has a slant to it, and it slants inside, which is not bad, but it doesn't fit it. I need to switch it out. So at some point I am going to buy the other base so that the legs will be straight and not slanted in, or at least but I'm not sure if it's straight up. I believe, yes, it is straight up and down. But anyway, so when you see this, I know it's going to look a little weird to some people, but I did mistakenly buy the wrong base for this, for the legs, and we're just screwing them on, and then we're going to flip it over and show you guys the final look. This project was so fun. My husband was like, oh my god, this dresser is super duper heavy. We're probably not going to be moving this in no time. But for 30 bucks, I'm going to show you guys my inspiration picture and the beginning and final look. And if you guys have any tips, tricks, trades, or anything that you think I should know about this paint, this if you like it, thumbs it up, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so for the rest of this, that's it. And here is the final look. See the legs there. It's just It is what it is. I had already gotten it done when I realized I set it up, and I was like, okay. But it looks super duper duper cute. $30 for the dresser, $5 for the paint, I think $5 for the primer, maybe $10 for the legs. So compared to paying hundreds of dollars for a dresser like this in IKEA or somewhere, about $50, I think that's a good deal. So that's the before. This is my inspiration, and here's the final look again. Thank you guys for watching, and enjoy your day.